Hello friends, it's me Urmila Agarwal with a new video, and today's video we will learn how can we take online test is here. I know most of the teachers taking the online classes are here and they are facing the lots of the problem, and the one problem how can they take online test, because some site are giving this kind of the facility, but they also taking some kind of the money is there. But today I will take how can we take free of cost online test, because if you are taking the test and the students are sending after the screenshot, that is a little bit typical. So start our class in the Google Chrome to type testmost.com, and then you can see a window is here. Now there is some kind of the options build a test. So I'm clicking here build a test. Now just write here your topic is like a unit test class 10th. Now type is asking about the password. You can write any kind of the password is here. Now click on the create test. When you click on the create test, now go to the adjust setting. In adjust setting you can select color scheme is here. I'm selecting this one color scheme. Then is asking question setting. You do want to be continue one page or you want to be per question in per page. So I'm selecting here in a one page, all the questions are here. Conclusion text, if you want to be write here something like thank you, or if you want to be custom manage, suppose your criteria is 75% good your scoring, then pass message किस तरह का आना चाहिए, like congratulations. If someone is failed, then you can be type here do better next time, do better next time. If you don't want these things, then just go back here and remove it. Then who can access your take your test? Anyone. I want to only who's the enter here my passcode. So I giving a passcode. Remember it's in a case sensitive. If you are using alphabetical numbers, then it's case sensitive, so I'm taking numbers are here. Now timing is here. In the timing period I write here 10 minutes. How many times they can be attempt? Only one time they attempt. And enter your name. You can be use enter your name, class, student ID. I'm writing here enter your roll. Remember friends, off your mic when you are using with the help of your mic, otherwise it's taking all the things are there. Then click on save. Now it's asking about there is no question. Now you have to be insert. When you click on the insert, there is a multiple choice question, true false, matching, fill in the blanks. When you choosing these kind of the questions framing are here, then it will be free of cost. But if you are using the selecting long and short question answer, then it takes some kind of the charges are here. I'm choosing here multiple choice, choose one option. Now first question, write here question. If you want to be right, then you can be just type here question, otherwise use. Now question mark is here. Choice 1. I want to be by default the my answer choice 1 is 1. I'm writing here. And just select it. Next is suppose you don't want to be given a 4 choices, you want to be only the 3 choices, then select this one fourth and delete it. Once again you have to be try. It a little bit difficult in the phone, so Okay, one more I try this to delete. Okay, it's not to be deleting here. In the next question I will show how can we delete it. So insert a new question is here, again multiple choice question. You can select it, and third choice is now fourth choice, select to it and just click on delete option. Now you can see easily here three options are here. Now go back on menu option and click on publish. Now you can see the unit test class 10 preview you want to be see there, then you can preview. Otherwise if you want to take an out and a printout, then you can take a printout from here or download it as a CSV. I want to be published for the my students. Now you can see here a passcode is also given and test notes. When I if you want to be share with your students, then just select it and click here share link. You can be share in your WhatsApp group and anywhere, download, copy link, any kind of the thing. You also want to take a preview which kind of the test is given like this, then enter roll number is here. Suppose I am writing here 101 and passcode 9900 and now start. Suppose I am giving here a personal area network and WAN key wide area network. Now I submit it. Now you can see also here at the same time your test, your score is here, your duration, your result also in the in front of you. Is it true or false? You can easily see here. Now you log out. Your student can see their results. If you are administration and someone is student saying ki ma'am or sir please I want to need more time, then go to the only it having the facility on the administration, go to the administration point and just write your password again and you can enter here. Sorry, it's not invalid admin password 1 2 3. Okay, now you can see here you again go to the back your setting, adjust setting, edit setting. If you want to be edit questions more there, then you can click here and go and enter any questions here. Okay, now menu, and I want to be see the result. As a teacher I want to be see the result here. Just click on the result option and now you can see 101 has given the paper and his score is here. Again see in the publish, go back this option. Right now I repeat this, then I passcode again repeat here. Now is a you can't take test because I already has given. So if I use this number it can't to be work. Now I'm using this new roll number and the same password is here. So now you can be join this thing is here. So remember these kind of the things are here. This question also add, that is I have done. So hope guys it will be helpful for you and you can easily take your papers. So please if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.